Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reach your stash in a Coco oven. First, you will need to gather your materials. Find 2 clean, dry coconut shell halves that fit together well. Next, prepare your food item, making sure it is small enough to fit comfortably inside one half. Finally, set up a safe, heat-resistant area where you can build a small fire or place hot embers. This preparation is key for a successful cooking experience. Now, let's assemble your Coco oven. Gently place your prepared food item into one half of a coconut shell. Then, carefully position the second coconut shell half on top, ensuring it forms a snug, sealed chamber around your food. Next, arrange hot coals or embers around and over the entire sealed coconut shell. This creates an even, radiant heat for cooking. The cooking process typically takes about 1 to 2 hours, depending on your food item and heat intensity. It's important to maintain a consistent heat source, adding fresh embers as needed to keep the temperature steady. You'll notice the coconut shell slowly charring, which is a good sign that your food is cooking inside. Patience is key for a perfectly cooked result. Once cooking is complete, carefully remove the charred coconut shell from the heat source. Let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. This makes it easier and safer to handle. Finally, gently crack open the coconut shell to reveal your delicious, perfectly cooked food item. Enjoy the unique flavors imparted by this traditional cooking method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.